Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is Lahore Resolution. But before starting the topic, I want to discuss some points here. The background: number 1, the failure of Lucknow Pact; number 2, Nehru Report; and number 3, Qaid-e-Azam 14 points. And the topic: general elections of 1937. Clear? So you know very well about the Lucknow Pact, the Nehru Report and the Qaid-e-Azam's 14 point. So I want to share here the topic general elections of 1937. So elections were held in the 11 provinces. Number 1 Madras, number 2 UP, number 3 Bihar, Orissa, United Provinces, Bombay, Assam, NWFP, Bengal, Punjab and Sindh. So what was the result? The final results of the elections were declared in February 1937, and All India Muslim League failed to form the government in any province. All Indian National Congress won the elections. So in 1940, the Lahore Resolution was passed. 27th annual session of the Muslim League at Lahore. 1 lakh Muslims participated in this resolution, and it was presided by Qaid-e-Azam, and it was introduced by Maulvi Fazlul Haq. On 23rd March 1940, the Lahore Resolution was passed, and it was written and prepared by Maulana Zafarullah Khan and was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq, the Prime Minister of Bengal. And it was a formal political statement adopted by All India Muslim League on the occasion of its 3 days general session in Lahore from 22nd to 24th March. Now, what was the demand of the Lahore Resolution? The resolution for the establishment of a separate homeland for the Muslims of British India. The annual session of All India Muslim League was held in Lahore from 22nd March to 24th March. Muslim political workers and leaders from all the provinces of India participated in this meeting. Lahore Resolution was introduced by Maulvi Fazlul Haq from Bengal. Now, who were the supporters? Supporters of Lahore Resolution: Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman from UP, Sayyid Zakir Ali from UP, Qazi Muhammad Isa from Balochistan, Dr. Muhammad Alam from Punjab, Sardar Aurangzeb Khan from KPK, Mrs. Muhammad Ali Johar from UP, Maulana Abdul Hamid Badayuni from UP, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan from Punjab, Muhammad Ismail Khan from Bihar, I. Chandrekar from Bombay. I. Chandrekar means I for Ibrahim, I for Ismail. So Ibrahim Ismail Chandrekar. Now, what was the reaction of Hindus? Reaction of Hindus on the approval of Lahore Resolution: some people started its opposition, and Hindu press gave it the name of Pakistan Resolution. Qaid-e-Azam and Muslim League adopted this name. The efforts of Qaid-e-Azam: when Lahore Resolution was passed, Qaid-e-Azam visited different parts of India and informed the Muslims about the wrong policies of Congress. As a result, different parties and leaders joined Muslim League. At start, British did not give any importance to the Lahore Resolution, but later on, under the guidance of Qaid-e-Azam, made them to accept the demand of Pakistan. The next topic is Cripps Mission. Second World War was started in 1939. In 1942, Second World War was at its peak. British government sent a delegation to India under the supervision of Sir Stafford Cripps on 22nd March 1940. Now, what was the purpose? The main purpose was to give the solution of political problems or crisis of India. For this purpose, he presented some proposals. Now, the proposals of Cripps Mission: number 1, Indian Liberation; number 2, Constituent Assembly; number 3, Rights of Provinces, Constitution, Agreement between Assembly and British Crown, Responsibility of Defence, and Constituent Assembly. Now one by one we will discuss the Indian liberation. India would be liberated after the termination of war. The Constituent Assembly. After the war, a Constituent Assembly will be formed. Now the members of the Assembly. Members of the Assembly will be elected by the members of lower house of Provincial Assembly, and they will be elected through the principle of proportional representation. The Constitution made by the Assembly will be acceptable to the British government. Agreement between Assembly and British Crown. An agreement will be made between Assembly and the British Crown for the settlement of all the issues. Number 6 point is right of provinces. Provinces will be given a right to opt out of the Union and establish independent government of their own. Now the responsibility of defense during the war. World War II. Total responsibility of defense will be in the hands of British government. Now what was the reaction of Congress? Now Congress rejected the Cripps Mission. Congress rejected the Cripps Mission because there were no immediate step for Indian liberation, but the time was given after the war. The second point is Congress felt the smell of Pakistan because one of the proposal was that the provinces can establish the government of their own. Reaction of Muslim League. Muslim League rejected the Cripps Mission proposals on the basis of it did not show the demand of Pakistan in clear terms. Muslim League was not taken into confidence during discussion. The Cripps Mission proposals were not acceptable to both the parties due to different reasons.